In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new cards in Trello from a form. This is a great way to streamline your workflow, especially if you need a quick and easy solution for adding structured data to your Trello boards. Let's dive in. First, open up your Trello board where you want to add cards using a form. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small rocket ship icon. Give that a click. This icon is key to accessing Trello's power-ups, which are essentially plugins created by third-party developers to expand Trello's functionality. After clicking on the rocket ship icon, you'll see an option to add power-ups. Go ahead and click on that. Doing so will bring you to a list of available power-ups. Here, you can search for one called Forms by Blue Cat. This is the tool that will allow you to create forms that, when filled out, automatically generate new cards on your Trello board. Once you've located Forms by Blue Cat, click the Add button to integrate it with your Trello board. The button will then change into a Settings button. Click on this Settings button to set up and authorize the power-up. Authorization is a simple process, but it's essential to ensure that the power-up has the right permissions to function properly with your Trello setup. Once everything is authorized, you'll notice a new shortcut button appearing at the top right of your Trello board. This button is your gateway to starting the form creation process. Click on this new shortcut button, then select Create Form from the drop-down menu that appears. Now comes the fun part, creating your form. You'll find an intuitive interface where you can drag and drop various fields into your form. Arrange these fields in a way that best suits the information you need to capture. It might be fields for a name, email, task description, due date, or anything else pertinent to your workflow. Once you're satisfied with the layout of your form and the fields you've selected, it's time to save it. After saving, you can start sharing it with others. This could be teammates, collaborators, or even clients, depending on your needs. When recipients fill out your form, each submission will create a new Trello card on your board. The card will already be filled with the data that was input into your form fields, allowing for seamless, structured data transfer into your workflow. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully set up a system to create new Trello cards from a form, making task and project management a breeze. Happy organizing, and we'll see you next time for more tips and tricks.